Good morning. How are you?
Very well, thank you. And you?
Good, great.
So, Iryna, you represent Fabbri,
Yes.
right?
Fabbri.
So what is Fabbri?
Fabbri is an Italian brand.
Yeah.
It's a heritage brand. Our company was founded in 1905. It represents Italian tradition and culture and quality. So our iconic product is our Amarena cherry here.
Yeah.
Okay. The recipe was invented in 1915 by the wife of the founder, Amarena Fabbri. Okay. And it's still the same recipe till now.
Wow.
Okay.
And what's so special about Amarena cherries?
So Amarena cherry is a specific kind of cherry called Amarena. It's a sour cherry. And the secret of how we preserve the natural flavor and the crisp on the skin is the slow cooking process. So we cook it for 10 days, basically. Only using sugar and water, no artificial preservatives, coloring.
So very, very clean.
Non-GMO. Yes, very clean.
Okay.
It's all natural, and it's all natural. It's kosher approved, gluten-free. Later on, we also created another product, our strawberry.
Yeah.
It's also a wild little strawberry in syrup.
Okay.
Follows the same recipe as the Amarena.
Yeah.
And a few years ago, we launched our new product. It's candied ginger in turmeric syrup.
Oh, lovely.
Okay, it comes, of course. It's sweet and spicy. All of them are amazing addition to any dish, from sweet or savory, or you can use them in cocktails as a garnish, or use the syrup as once you start, it's hard to stop.
Yeah. Get to the table. Wow, those are good.
Yeah.
So are these? So the Amarena are these all Italian fruits? Amarena is specific to Italy, or is it
Amarena? No, Amarena is we started with Italians one.
Right.
Now we are very big.
So what region in Italy? Like or north, south?
So Amarena originally was from Bologna, from Emilia-Romagna region. Okay, we still based our headquarters in Bologna.
Nice.
Okay, actually our production site is Anzola. It's close to Bologna. Of course, ginger is not Italian.
No.
It's Asian. We import from Asia, but it follows all the Italian cooking recipes. Yes.
Nice and clean, nice and simple.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. Lovely jars.
Thank you. And of course, as you can see, we created our own branding and packaging. This is our traditional ceramic base.
Right.
Yeah.
They're very beautiful.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Very beautiful. Awesome. Lovely. Thank you.
Okay.
That's it. Perfect.
Thank you.